I'm Pam, and this is 23 acres of woodland in South Devon. I have a passion for trees and love being with trees, but also planting and nurturing them as well. My husband and I were looking for woodland over 10 years ago to manage sustainably and work. And over time, as I spent more time working and being on the land, I noticed the beneficial effect on me in terms of nature connection, feeling closer to nature, feeling healthier in myself, mentally and physically, was from lots of hard work. I think you need to immerse yourself in the land in order to notice and understand what's happening and the changes, whether that's seasonal or even day to day, and the impact that that has really on everything. And that thinking around that kind of benefit made me think about all the other benefits that the trees were providing, nurturing that idea of developing those things, physical and mental benefits, and I could demonstrate those benefits that the trees were providing and share that with other people so they could benefit from that experience as well. This is our woodland hub. Originally it was just somewhere where we come into the woods and light a fire to sit round, but over the years, as we've invited more of the community into the woodland, it's become a centre, a place for everyone to meet up and hang out and make cups of tea, etc. We've had mainly the school children over a long period of time, but we also have a forest school. We've had mental health and recovery groups, women's groups, and we're now having children coming in to help with our forest management, woodland management here, and learning new skills and the opportunity to connect with nature, which is really important for children. It's like a grounding for them. You know, a lot of children don't get an opportunity to go out and be in the woods, like I think a lot of us used to have when we were children. That kind of access is a lot more restricted today for children. When they first arrive, they go a bit bananas, a bit wild. It's like, freedom, yes! But I think the trees, even just sitting around the fire, the trees have a real calming influence, and that's really noticeable. I think it's fantastic that they can do this, because I'm so aware that the children are our future, essentially, and they need to learn the skills to be able to survive, and in particular to reap the benefits that trees can provide for them.